Okay, welcome to J&S Commercial Van Sales Limited. This one is a late 1464 reg, extra long wheelbase, Mercedes Viano, ambient. It's the 8-seater MPV minibus. Nice minibus this, it's been a one lease owner. It's actually been on lease to the government. It's in Panther black, it's got all the alloy wheels, it's got electric side loading doors, leather, Napa leather interior, top spec, navigation, automatic. Minibus has just come in to us in stock. It's will be fully buffed, polished before it goes out for sale. So I'll give you a walk around the vehicle. It's the blue efficiency engine. Ambient, so it has the colour coded bumpers, it's got the LED daytime running lights, parking sensors front and rear, it has the colour coded grille and the chrome centre on the grille there. Viano alloys, side loading door on the near side is fully electric, both are electric, but you can open the near side one with the key. I'll just demonstrate and close it there. So there's the door open there. In the back it's 6 seats, they're in conference styling. It's got overmats fitted, all the seats flip over, flip down. It's got the quilted side panels with the upgraded stereo, rear surround sound, you've got your charger points, it's got electric rear windows, rear air conditioning and rear heating. It's a Napa leather this, so a better quality leather. You can turn the seats round to face forward, but they are in conference styling. 2 seats in the front, so a combination of 8 with the driver. Then you've got electric power folding mirrors, electric windows. It's got the Bluetooth cruise control, comms pack, multi-function steering wheel. It's the G7 automatic gearbox. It's got navigation system. I'll put the key in for the navigation, I'll show you in one moment. All the electric doors, switches, heated seats, all for your rear lights. You've got air conditioning. It's twin airbags, got all the overmats fitted. It's very, very low mileage also, this vehicle. Privacy on the windows. Lift up rear door. Rear park sensors. And it is the extra long wheelbase, so they have the bigger boot area. It's got the over carpets fitted. All these seats flip over, and we have got the rear blind and the rear luggage cover. It's 41,749. There's the navigation there set up. Service A not required for 12,800 miles. Got your climax control there, also digital. LED running lights in the front. Super looking minibus, executive travel, or for the family. Something a little bit different, specialised vehicle this one. We've got all the service record, it's genuine mileage, comes with a HPI report. Like I said earlier in the video, it has belonged to government, this vehicle. It's registered. We've got all the invoices there, who's owned it, spare keys. Same day finance can be done on this vehicle. If it's finance you're looking for, you can apply for the finance on our website. Just find the vehicle and click on the picture, and all the apply buttons are there. Part exchange car or van, and we also give free warranty with all our vehicles, the JS Vans mega warranty offer. Anything else you'd like to ask us over the vehicle, just give us a call or drop us an email. We're open 7 days. Thanks for watching the video.